The U.S. Navy is developing a beyond 5G airborne communications center based on the Skydweller Perpetual Flight solar drone, capable of remaining in the air for months without landing. This next-generation platform aims to deliver secure, high-speed connectivity in areas lacking satellite or ground infrastructure, creating a resilient global communication network. The project, officially called Intelligent Radio Access Network for Resilient Tactical Systems Beyond 5G, will deploy a miniature 5G network in a box aboard the Skydweller drone, forming an autonomous airborne hub that can rapidly establish a communications network anywhere in the world. Designed for both military and humanitarian missions, the system will ensure reliable data exchange between branches, agencies, and allied forces, even in contested or remote environments. The Skydweller Perpetual Flight is a solar-powered aircraft built for indefinite flight. With its wide solar panel wings and energy-efficient control systems, it operates at altitudes up to 14,000 meters, functioning like an unmanned satellite. Its modular design allows it to carry varied payloads for surveillance, communication, or scientific purposes. The drone also includes a pilot station, enabling hybrid manned and autonomous operation for added control and flexibility. A key element of the program is Nokia's Banshee Flex radio system, a secure, military-grade 5G platform that supports encrypted communication between manned and unmanned aircraft. Integrated into the Skydweller, it forms a distributed, adaptive network capable of maintaining stable connectivity even under heavy interference. This gives the U.S. Navy the ability to extend reliable communications across vast maritime regions where traditional systems fall short. The collaboration between the U.S. Navy, Skydweller Aero, and Nokia Federal marks a shift toward energy-independent, mobile, and intelligent communications architectures. These airborne nodes could supplement or even replace satellites in certain missions, reducing costs and improving flexibility. By linking air, sea, land, and space networks into one seamless system, the project supports the joint all-domain command and control vision. If successful, the Beyond 5G Skydweller initiative could redefine how the military, civilian agencies, and industries communicate, paving the way for a world where connectivity is constant, global, and free from geographic limits.